Alright, so before we get into this video, let me just actually talk to you about these bots and show you the bots in action. So there's going to be key three elements in this video. I'm going to show you the three key elements that I use to have successful bots. So these bots are working all the way up to today, and as you can see, it's multiple deals daily. I have different types of bots, so there's different types of money here. Look at this bot here with $176, and again, of course, that's all passive income. We backtest these bots for months before we actually go live with them, and it's a true, strong, back-tested strategy, and the results here speak for themselves. Look at this right here. The reason why they say zero is because I set them up wrong, and I didn't have one of the key elements available in the bot. But look, if I keep scrolling here, as you can see, like there's just multiple deals a daily. I actually had to turn off the notifications for my bots because they were working that much. They work 24/7, just like the crypto market. And I'm going to show you in this video exactly how I set these up and the three key elements I use for successful passive income AI bots. Let's get right into the video and let me show you how we do it from the laptop. Alright, so here we are now on the laptop. So we're just going to scroll through the bots here so you can have a quick look at these ones. And let me just pick one of these out. So here we go here. This is a little one, 0.91 cent trade. The duration was 10 hours and it took a take profit of 1.5 cent. And this is all passive, as I've said already. But let me explain to you how these bots work. And the crypto market has actually been dipping the last few days, and these bots are still coming out profitable. So let me show you how we do that. We have three key elements with these bots, and in this video I'm going to explain these exact three elements to you. So by the end of this video you will know how these bots work, you'll have a further understanding of them, and then you can join our Discord and get access to your own bots. So as I said, I'm going to explain the three key elements in this video that I use to have my bots run. As I said, the market was down the last few days and these bots are still coming out on top with profits every single day, constantly. Look, they never stop. I can just keep scrolling here. We could be here all day. So let me get into it now. I have a Word document. So there's three elements that I use to run successful bots. One, we have the safety order volume scale. Then we have the safety order step scale. And then we have the deal start condition. So this is a powerful tool, the safety order volume scale. Let me just read this out to you and then I'm going to show you an example and I'll break it down for you. So a buy safety order scale is a risk management strategy employed in trading and investing, particularly in the context of automated trading bots. So we know that. This strategy involves setting predefined buy orders at different price levels to mitigate risks and capitalize on market fluctuations. The scale typically includes a series of incremental buy orders placed below the current market price. If the asset price experiences a decline, these predefined buy orders are triggered sequentially, allowing the trader or the automated bot to accumulate more of the asset at lower prices. The intention is to take advantage of potential market dips while maintaining a disciplined approach to managing risk. By using a buy safety order scale, traders aim to optimize their entry points, enhance overall portfolio performances, and reduce the impact of sudden market downturns. Very boring. You probably didn't understand any of that. By the end of this video, you will thank yourself because I'm going to break it down easily. So let me show you the safety order volume scale working in the bots. Okay, so this was the last bot that closed. Let's click into it. For $4 it closed. Let me show you the safety order volume scale working. So essentially the bot bought in here, the price dropped. So the way my safety order volume scale is, it multiplies the last safety order. I'm not going to tell you by how much because we explained that in the Discord, which you can join for free through my Instagram. But we multiply our safety order volume scale by the first buy order, then we multiply it by a figure, and it buys in more of the crypto coin. It's kind of like dollar cost averaging, but it's a bit different. So it buys in again here with a bigger buy order, and then it buys in again here with an even bigger buy order, and then that allowed us to sell this coin here with a massive dip. So we bought in initially up here and we actually sold it down here and we still came in profitable because of the safety order volume scale. Because we were buying in at bigger amounts at lower prices, it allowed us to actually sell it down here, which obviously if you were day trading or you just had, you didn't have a safety order volume scale, this wouldn't be possible because, in what world can you buy something and sell it for a lower price and still come out profitable? That's why the safety order volume scale is powerful. So essentially, to break it down even easier, your first buy condition, let's just say, is $10 and you're buying in here at a bigger buy condition, and then you're buying in again at a bigger buy condition. So you're buying in more each time, which allows you to sell below the first buy order for a profit. And that is a safety order volume scale working right there for me for my bots. Let's get on to the next one now, which is a safety order step scale. So I know this is a very fancy Word document, but now let's read out the safety order step scale, and again I will show you a direct correlation with the bots. So first, let's read this out. Safety order step scale refers to a risk management strategy that involves setting incremental safety orders at various levels to manage potential losses in trading. These safety orders, which might include stop loss orders or other protective measures, are implemented at different price steps or intervals. Fun fact, my bots don't have any stop loss orders. Anyway, let's continue. For example, in an automated trading system, a safety order step scale could be programmed to trigger specific protective actions at predetermined price intervals. This approach aims to gradually mitigate risk at market moves in an unfavorable direction. Each step in the scale might represent a level at which a safety order is activated to limit losses or protect profits. So everything we go through in this video, my bot is doing all of this for me. So it may seem complicated, but the bot is literally doing this all for me. So I literally set it up and the bot does it itself, so it's not complicated for me. Anyway, let me show you the safety order step scale. So this is a video I have in my Discord explaining the safety order step scale, but let me just give you a quick explanation here. Okay, so up here we have the base order is $10, for example. Okay, and let's just say I have a safety order step scale with a figure of 1.5. Okay, so my safety order step scale, let's just say, is 1.5. So the bot places a buy order for $15 then, because the price falls from the base order, and we have the safety order to buy in at $15, because it's always better to have your safety order bigger than the base order. Then let's just say safety order 2, the step scale is going to kick in and it's going to multiply by 1.05. So the next safety order is going to come in at 15.75 cent. So it's going to be bigger than the last one. And then the safety order 3 is going to multiply the 15.75 cent by 1.05, and it's going to be then 16.53. Same again, it's going to be 16.53 multiplied by the safety order step scale, and it's going to be 17.35. As you can see, it's kind of like the safety order volume scale, but it's a little bit different. But each time the orders are getting more and more, again allowing you to sell the coin at a lower price than the base order and come out profitable. These are all risk mitigation techniques, and the bot is doing this all for us, again passively. So that is the safety order step scale explained. So finally, one of the third and final key element to my bots, which is probably one of the most important, is the deal start conditions. So this refers to the specific criteria or conditions that need to be met for a trade or deal to be initiated. Traders often use algorithms and automated systems that are programmed with predefined conditions for entering into a trade, exactly what my bots do. These conditions may include various technical indicators, which my bot have, price levels or other factors that signal an opportune moment to start a deal or trade. So basically what this means is my bot is not going to buy into the crypto market until it meets the conditions that I set it to. It could be any condition you like. You could have it buy in at a specific price. You could have it buy in, there's hundreds of indicators out there. Let's just say a moving average indicator. You don't want your bot to buy in until the moving average hits a certain level. Again, RSI could hit a certain level. Many indicators out there. You don't want your bot to buy into the market until it hits a specific indicator that you have set up. So let me show you my bots hitting their deal start conditions right now. So if you look at my buy orders here on this bot, the little green arrow here is one buy order, this is another buy order, and this is another buy order. Okay, so one of the key elements I have with my bots is they don't just buy in randomly. Okay, now sometimes I have them where they drop a certain amount, like for this buy order here, I have it where if the coin falls a certain amount, it will just buy in. But other than that, I have it where if it crosses, see the way these two lines cross, my bot bought in. So as you can see here, this bought in down here. The reason why this bought in down here, because one of my deal start conditions is for when if the coin falls a certain percent, let's just say 5%, my bot is buying in. Another deal start condition I have, see the way these two levels cross here, and then after they cross it falls, my bot bought in here, crossed here, bought in here, and then it bought in down here. And these are deal start conditions that I set up with my bot to buy into the market at specific points. Okay, so it's not buying in randomly. For instance, my bot isn't buying up here, it's not buying up here, it's buying on the dips, which is what you want. And that's the way I have my bots set up with the deal start conditions. Now hopefully that did make sense. This is my bot Discord here. We have over 1.5k members in here. Obviously there is a bit more to my bots. We have a few other key elements that I left out there, but they're the three main ones. If you want to see my specific bots that I use, you can join my Discord for free. My Instagram is in the bio below. You have to follow my Instagram Stock Trader Index. Once you follow that, there's a link in my bio to join the Discord. Today with the bots, they made $256 profit, and that was all passive. So you can join the bot Discord for free through the Instagram, my bio.